Nowadays, customer feedback is one of the most valuable assets for any company. Current technology allows us to collect a vast amount of data, but the real challenge for our customers lies in their ability to process this information and turn it into value. Artificial intelligence offers a powerful solution to this challenge, enabling organizations to analyze feedback at scale, extract meaningful patterns, and drive smarter, faster decisions. Without the support of artificial intelligence, companies are forced to rely on manual evaluation of customer feedback. This approach requires significant time, efforts, and financial resources. In many cases, due to limited capacity or budget constraints, this analysis is postponed or not performed at all, resulting in the loss of valuable insights that could drive product improvements, enhance customer satisfaction, and inform strategic decisions. AI helps overcome these limitations by automating the analysis process, ensuring that no feedback goes unnoticed. We have developed various implementations tailored on different customer needs. For example, we can scrape the App Store or Play Store to analyze feedback on mobile app releases, or monitor platforms like Instagram and Facebook to understand how specific products are perceived. For services, we can collect data through survey forms. While input sources may vary, what matters most is having a centralized point where all information converges. This enables us to activate AI-driven processes that extract both qualitative and quantitative insights. Importantly, our approach goes beyond simply identifying whether sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. Thanks to generative AI, we can perform advanced summarisation and uncover deeper insights such as recurring themes, specific pain points, or emerging opportunities. ALTEN is actively exploring opportunities to extend this sentiment analysis solution to other sectors and markets. The flexibility of the data collection pipelines allows the solution to be tailored to different industries. In short, sentiment analysis applied to customer feedback should become a key pillar of business strategy, supporting strategic decision-making and helping companies not only understand how customers feel, but also why and what to do about it.